Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, the first video of 2021. We're in a new year, I can't believe it. It is a new year, new dawn, a new day. Obviously the first video back on my channel had to be an Aldi food haul. Yes, this is the first Aldi grocery haul of 2021, how exciting. So today's video is going to be the Aldi haul for the next week of food we're going to be eating. Plus all of the prices that I paid in my local Aldi. Got my receipt and also a meal plan of what we're going to be making with this food. I'm starting the year off trying to save money again, trying to eat well and healthy. I am currently pregnant, in case you didn't know, so it's even more important now that I eat healthy, especially after how my first trimester went. Plus, we really just want to eat like easy, budget-friendly, healthy meals throughout Monday to Friday. The weekends I tend to like fluke it. We'll get a takeaway, we'll buy things on the day, what we fancy, but weekdays I like to have like a nice meal plan, stick to a budget, and everything you see here is really tasty food but also really affordable, family friendly type meal. So we're going to get into today's video. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are happy new year, by the way. Anyway, grab your drinks, maybe grab a pen and paper, your shopping list, and if you get any inspiration from today's video, that is great. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, let's go. I will start by reading you a lot of the meals we're going to be having this week. I will also write them down below, the meal plan, and I'll include any links because I do a lot of affordable recipe videos as well. I will either leave the video link or my website link down below, but the meals we're going to be having this week, we're going to be having one of my favourites, which is bagel with chopped up avocado, a side of rocket, a side of balsamic glazed roasted on the vine tomatoes. Unreal. Some sesame seed oil and salady bits like that. It's one of my favourite dinners. It's so affordable but so satisfying and very good for you. Also going to be having pasta bake. We're going to be having barbecue pulled chicken wraps, which again is pretty healthy, really easy, nice and affordable, and there's lots of salad that goes in there. That is a recipe that a lot of you guys have taken. I'm so glad so many of you guys like it. We're going to be having potato and leek soup with just some fresh bread in it, bubble and squeak, and a sun-dried garlic pasta dish that Lawrence created himself. It's one of the best things ever. I actually think there's a video for that as well. So those are going to be our dinners. A pot of basil, which is only 47p from Aldi. These last quite a while, to be honest. We keep them on our windowsills in the kitchen. For only 47p, that's going to go in the sun-dried tomato dish that Lawrence does, and it's the only time I really like basil. We have 2 bags of easy peelers. Now, 2 bags will probably last us about 3 days. I can't tell you how many satsumas, easy peelers, oranges I get through at the moment. It's obviously a pregnancy symptom, but it's a lot. 2 bags of easy peelers, they are 78p each. We've also got some spring onions, 29p. These will be chopped up and thrown into our chicken wraps this week. They go really well in that. We've got some leeks, British leeks, 79p. 3 big ones in there. That'll be more than enough for at least 1 large batch. I do actually use, I'll link the video below, I do actually use the Audi soup maker, and oh my gosh, one of the best purchases we've made. It makes soup making so easy. A big bag of wild rocket, the best wild rocket thrown. We pretty much put it on every single dinner. I do actually have 3 bags in the fridge more as well, and they were 47p each. But just wash your wild rocket, just put some salt on and a little bit of sesame seed oil. We have 2 pots of piccolo tomatoes, or tomatoes on the vine. They're going to go with the avocado bagel dinner that I love to do. All you do is literally put them in a tin or a tray, grill on, or you can do it in the oven, throw some salt on and just grill them for a while. Delicious. And then when they come up, put them on your plate and drizzle balsamic glaze on it. Oh, it's so good. They're £1.29 per tray. I got 2 trays because I know we will probably have a tray each. A bag of white British potatoes, 79p. They are going to go in various things like our leek and potato soup. There's a couple of big ones in there that we can use for jacket potatoes. Again, really affordable, healthy healthy meal. Trail mix for me. Actually from Aldi, the trail mixes and the nuts and seeds are really affordable. They're just great at snacking. So in this one, it's a mixture of peanuts, raisins, dried banana chips, which I find really interesting because they are literally my favourite. Dried coconut chips, yum, almonds and cashew nuts. The avocados from Aldi I really like because they're the biggest for the cheapest and they're always really good condition. So I always get the loose ones. They're 79p each. Oh no, 72p! Price has gone down. I wonder why. They'll obviously be with our avocado dinner. Lawrence isn't keen on avocados, so he might have something else like fried mushrooms on his bagel instead. Bag of white onions. Onions we put in everything, to be fair, but they will mainly go this week into our barbecue pulled chicken dinner. Also into our sun-dried tomato pasta dinner, salads, sandwiches. I love raw onion and sandwich. 59p, there's loads in there. We have, oh, these looked good. They're a little bit expensive, but I wanted to try them. These are called crisp breads from Aldi, and there's 6 in there, and they're kind of like big Ryvitas, like chunkier Ryvitas. Chia and oat. They say they're perfect for nibbling, dipping or sharing. Those in hummus, no doubt. And I was thinking for a lunch, I could have like half an avocado and put it on there with some hummus and yummo. They were £1.19, so not actually the cheapest, but I will feed back what I think of those on my Instagram if you want to know. We've also got a bag of frozen whole strawberries for my porridge in the mornings. £1.49. I love the frozen fruit from Aldi. It's honestly really affordable and you get so much. We have this, which is Red Fox Red Leicester Cheese. Loves cheese. And Red Leicester, to him, he used to find quite boring. I bought this because I like Red Leicester on my beans, and he tried it. Genuinely, he said it's like one of the best cheeses he's ever had and really recommends it. 18-month matured, and to be fair, it's an award-winning cheese. So it's this cheese, if you do want to get it, it's £1.99 for 220 grams. Where is it? We've got a pot of hummus. I love the hummus from Aldi. It tastes just like the M&S one, and I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. The hummus is 69p, and then next to it we've got mascarpone for 75p. That whole pot will go into our mascarpone pasta sun-dried dish. It's a really easy dish. I can't tell you how easy it is, but it's something like you would get in a nice restaurant. It tastes delicious. We've got some bagels. Now my Aldi only does one type of bagel. I would normally get the wholemeal bagels or the sesame seed bagels. I have to go with these. These are just white bagels, but they will go with our bagel dinner. So bagel, avocado, rocket, tomatoes is so good. We've got a pot of, a box, baby brain. We've got a box of the plant menu sausage rolls, or vegan sausage rolls. The best sausage rolls in the world, I have to say. You guys know I'm obsessed with these. £1.19 if you do like sausage rolls, or if you do like vegan sausage rolls. I can't recommend them enough. Seville orange marmalade. It's the best marmalade. It's so delicious, apart from like homemade marmalade, but it's so delicious. And it's not in the condiments section, it's actually always in the special buys section. Hot cross buns, a pack of 6. I just couldn't resist. 75p. I don't have these very often. We'll put them in the freezer and tend to have 1 or maybe 2 at a time. But essentially, I can't tell you how good a hot cross bun is. Cut in half, put in the toaster, and when it's boiling hot, quickly get it out and spread loads of peanut butter. It's so good. Again, a super duper affordable breakfast. Not the healthiest, but I feel like not every meal you eat needs to be like 100% perfect, does it? And it's really filling, and peanut butter is obviously really good for energy release. Squeezy honey, we'd run out of honey. The honey goes into my pulled chicken wraps dinner. I do have a pasta bake sauce, essentially just some pasta, throw it in a tray, pour this in, cheese, herbs, basil, garlic, onion, whatever you want. It's delicious. And I tend to actually have it the next day for lunches and stuff like that. So Again, really affordable. That's only 49p. Pasta's really affordable. So it's, again, a really easy but actually delicious dinner / lunches. We have this. Look how interesting this looks. Now, I actually really don't like pesto. But I bought this for Lawrence because he occasionally has like a pesto pasta dish. But it's milk-free, wheat-free and gluten-free pesto from the plant menu. So if you do want to know what this is like, follow me on Instagram, send me a message. But when Lawrence goes to cook with it, I will be doing stories about this and let you know his full verdict. These kind of jars last so long as well. And that was £1.25. It's currently in the special buys section. There's also the same version but red pesto. So if you want that, go to Aldi. Okay, so for 99p, picked up a jar of the sun-dried tomatoes from Aldi. These will go in our pasta dish, the one that Lawrence makes. We'll use probably about half or maybe even the whole jar, depending on how much he makes. What we tend to do with our dinners anyway is make them really nice and affordable. Try and make things from scratch because you tend to actually pay less when you make things from scratch. But also just make a bit more so we can have some for lunches. I've got 2 of these for 22p each. Instant noodles. These actually kept me alive throughout my first trimester. I'm still quite sick now, even though it's 100 million times better. But every now and then, if I'm feeling pretty rough, just like a whole block of stodge does help. And it helps me keep down other things like my satsumas, vegetables, healthier stuff. So I got 2 just in case of emergencies. The best porridge oats in the world, in my opinion, are the Cavanaugh's ones, the organic ones from Aldi. They're organic, £1.49. Honestly, these last so long. Sticking to the healthy theme, I got some frosted Wheaties. Every now and then, I wake up needing cereal that I would eat as an 8-year-old child, and I don't regret it. £1.39 for those. Also, these are actually really nice. They are similar to the Cadbury brunch bars. They're called Munchie Bars. They're actually delicious. You get 6 in a box, they're 85p. Great for, I'd say, like kids to eat these. I always get the peanut ones because nuts are really helping me at the moment. Fusilli pasta, this is 39p. I have the same in whole wheat. I actually prefer that pasta in brown, but Lawrence doesn't like brown pasta, so we have to mix and match sometimes. Also, these from Aldi, we have been loving. So I bought these on a whim ages ago. They are the packs of make your own bread loaves. And when you're in a rush and you just want some nice bread for the morning breakfast or for your lunch that day and you haven't got certain ingredients in, these are literally amazing. So one whole pack makes 1 loaf. We tend to save them for a weekend treat, just make it on like a Saturday or Sunday morning. And have some nice warm bread with whatever you're eating that day. Honestly, I really recommend them. They're 99p each. I actually prefer the wholemeal one. It's actually the best one they do. They also do farmhouse white, and this one's really nice, oat and linseed loaf. Unsweetened almond milk from Aldi. I think that stuff's great. It's the same as branded in my opinion. I don't see any difference. 75p. For our barbecue pulled chicken wrap dinner that night, we have it with these wraps. These are the Village Bakeries super soft Mediterranean herb wraps. These, or the seeded ones, are literally the best. Are 79p each. We will have 1 or 2 wraps each and keep these in the freezer because we don't use the whole pack. Again, ridiculously affordable. A pack of the best pita breads in the world. These are the 6 wholemeal seeded pittas. They're so delicious. When you toast them, because they're so thick, they properly open so you can actually fill them with stuff rather than like crumbling and falling apart. Again, these will go in the freezer, and then for lunches, if we've got leftover salad bits, we'll just pull a couple out, toast them, throw a load of salad and hummus in. It's an easy way to like use up food in the fridge. Less waste. Very, very healthy and affordable. So I bought this from the special aisles. It's the Beverly Hills Teeth Whitening Formula. It was £6.99. It was on offer. So that is quite a good price for this brand. As soon as I watched her beep it through, I thought, no, I can't have that because I'm pregnant. And I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have it through breastfeeding either. So I'm either going to keep hold of this for a long time or give it to my mum or my sister or someone, or Lawrence might want to use it. I don't know, I'll ask him, but yeah, they've got these in the special buys aisle. I bought it without thinking, so I can't tell you whether it's going to be good or not. Toothpaste. This Colgate toothpaste is £1.99. Washing powder, I love the washing powder from Aldi, £2.99. I also got 2 cards for some birthdays coming up for my niece and my brother-in-law. And these cards are actually really nice from Aldi. They're 99p each, so affordable for a nice card, to be fair. 2 of these, the pink stuff cleaners for the bathrooms. I've seen a lot of people using these on Insta stories and they look good. They're 99p at the moment. I've got a pack of Corral Beans. If you haven't tried them from Aldi, they're really nice. I recommend you do. They are 99p for 4, 96p for 4. It works out better if you buy the 4-pack than if you get them individually. I also picked up these, which I wanted to show you, the Audi cocktail Bellinis. They had loads that I've just thrown in the freezer because Bellinis with a bit of cream cheese and sometimes a bit of salmon, it's really, really nice, and it's like a weekend treat. In total, I spent £49.05. This food will last us about 10 days to 2 weeks with the occasional top up here and there, so pretty affordable. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're having a good start to the new year. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of this, and yeah, I hope you're well, and I'll see you soon, and I love you very much. Bye!